Guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about the face scrub that I make, and I kind of wanted to show y'all, like I should have showed y'all before. This whole side of my face was inflamed, and you guys see all these bumps and different things like that in the dark circle. This is the lemon juice, honey, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of vitamin E oil. And I get up daily, guys, and I use this scrub on my face. And I'm talking about these bumps was really bad. They was inflamed, like really bad. But guys, if you guys got them problem skin, and I call this my scrub eraser. And I just keep tuning in and showing you guys, but it's going to get rid of all of these spots that's on my face. So if you got acne that's just coming up, and it's coming in your face, this stuff works miracles. I mean, I wish I'd did the video before, guys, because y'all would have been able to see how inflamed these bumps is. Or what it's going to do, it is going to erase all of that. So again, it's coconut oil. I have honey in here, pure lemon juice, sugar as the exfoliator. You know, the sugar is what, you know, get the dead skin off. Vitamin E, turmeric, and a touch of cinnamon. And I'm talking about, oh my gosh, it's doing wonders for my face. And how I wind up breaking out is that sometimes I get lazy and don't want to take the makeup off. But I got really bad problem skin anyway. But guys, if you use this on your face every day, like you get up and you get ready to go to work or you get ready to get in the shower or whatever, put this on, you will see miracles. And you can also do your lips with it too as an exfoliator, because it's all natural products. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And it works miracles, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. I have included different pictures, guys. You guys can look up these recipes, and I promise you, you will have great results with your problem skin. A lot of time we go to the store and buy a lot of expensive products, but these recipes that you can find right out of your grocery store ingredients will give you the best skin in the world. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you tried and you will have amazing results. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.